When I was in South Africa, I could find places that were more white than here, even in Johannesburg. And you cannot make this up. I don't know if you see, it's called Rue Poulet, it means chicken road. But I see more wigs than chicken. C'est un espace public, qu'est-ce que tu racontes? Ah, there is a guy following me now. Don't feel in France here. Like the architecture is French, mostly, but otherwise. It was the Dufayel department store, one of the most luxurious department stores. Behind me is Gare du Nord, one of the busiest train stations in Europe, but also one of the least safe. So today I'm going to walk from here to Montmartre and see how French this area feels. To be honest, I'm not very optimistic about it, but let's see. As you can see, it's quite a nice building. It's crowned by 9 statues. So the one in the middle represents Paris, and the other ones represent Warsaw, Amsterdam, Berlin, Vienna, London, Köln, Brussels also. And the statues below represent cities in the north of France. Well, it's Amiens, Rouen, Arras, Beauvais, and so on, Lille. So now let's walk towards Boulevard Magenta, and then to Barbès. So right now I'm on Boulevard Magenta, which is a boulevard that is typical of great Haussmannian boulevard in Paris, with great Haussmannian buildings on each side that look very harmonious together, with similar mansards, balconies, limestone, similar stones, and with lines of trees on each side also. So these types of boulevards and these types of buildings were mostly made in the 19th century. Well, there was some activity down there. C'est un espace public, qu'est-ce que tu racontes? Ah, there is a guy following me now. There is clearly a lot of traffic here, not legal ones. Like the guys you saw on each side of the street standing there, including one that told me to not film. I don't know if you heard it very clearly, but they were all looking at me in a terrible way, like all of them. And I'm alone here, so I cannot take the risk to stay in a place too long, because I'm mostly focusing on the camera, so anyone can snatch it very fast. Don't feel in France here. Like the architecture is French, mostly, but otherwise. When I was in South Africa, I could find places that were more white than here, even in Johannesburg. So I'm not gonna stay mostly in Château Rouge today. It'll be for another video maybe. When I go towards Montmartre, and then another time I will go around there. And you cannot make this up. I don't know if you see, it's called Rue Poulet, it means chicken road. Rue Poulet, chicken road. You cannot make this up here. If you want to get a nice wig, I didn't know that lately French women were so fond of wigs. It's a new trend everywhere. So here it's called Rue du Poulet, chicken road, but I see more wigs than chicken. It should be called wig road, Rue de la Perruque. Genre, some people look at me in a menacing way, saying hello, but you can tell they don't like my camera. So now I'm in Rue de Clignancourt. They used to be one of the greatest department stores in Europe, or even in the world. After World War II, it was mostly destroyed and out of use, and it's here. It was the Dufayel department store, one of the most luxurious department stores in Europe, and in the world, obviously. It was specifically made for the working class. So you see, at the time, the working class had a luxurious department store. I will show you some pictures because now I cannot enter it, and inside has been renovated in a modern way and not in the most aesthetic way, unfortunately. And this was one of the entries. In front of Toto Africain, Tissu Africain. Every street is more calm than the previous one. We're getting closer to Montmartre. So now we're on Montmartre basically. So this used to be not part of Paris. It was a village near Paris. But as Paris grew in population towards the north, it became part of Paris in the 19th century. So here's very touristic. So the area is nicer. Sacré-Cœur was made around 1870, after the Franco-Prussian War and the Paris Commune. So it was made at a time when France was in a bad historic period. And right now, France is also in a bad historic period, as you could see. Some illegal street vendors here, again. It's far less than usual, but still, there are always some. So let me know in the comments what you think about this area of Paris, from Gare du Nord to Montmartre. So like and subscribe, and see you for the next video in Rome.